Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Actually, it's Sunday now, Sunday, April the 3rd. But on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. No, it's the edition of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, March the 31st, 2022. I've already done two puzzles. Yes, the Sudoku with 1 star and the 2 stars. And it's time now for the binary. Later on, I will do the tectonic, but first, the binary. Alright. Binary puzzle number. Let me see which number it will be. Oh, apologies again. My tripod. Come on. Oh. 4355. Yes, 4355. This will be 4355. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then we need to compare. Let me see, which number can I pick? Which row or column can I pick? Yes. We need to compare. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Alright. Let me see. Double one. We have 1 row, 1001. Well, this row and that row I can compare. We have here the O, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then compare again. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. 101. Well, if I compare this row And that row, look, we have a 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, empty box 1 1, and here we have a 1 here. So if I place the 1 there, then we have identical rows. So here cannot be a 1, definitely no 1 there. So this should be an O. Okay. So now we have 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Well, we have here 3 1s in the last row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last row. So not allowed 3 O's in a row. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Then. Yeah. Then. We need to compare. No. O10, we have O10 here. No. 1 2 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here in this column, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rows. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay, now we have double 1. Here no, there no. 1 2 3. Okay. Compare again. This column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, and now compare again. Yeah, compare again. What a lot of comparing here. I cannot believe this. A lot of comparing. This column and that column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 boxes digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 8 minutes. A lot of comparing. Wow. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Yes, it will be a tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.